Meaning of impeccable.
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 Impeccable. The word impeccable is used to describe something that is faultless or perfect. It refers to an action, behavior, or performance that is beyond reproach or criticism. When someone achieves an impeccable result, it means that they have not made any mistakes and have performed to the best of their abilities. An impeccable result is both flawless and impressive, earning the admiration and respect of those who witness it. Achieving such a result requires a high level of skill, dedication, and attention to detail, demonstrating excellence and mastery in a particular field.